Hello everyone and welcome to my new free video analysis in which I will look and talk about Bitcoin. As you know, this market is moving aggressively higher and looks like that we are seeing an extended gains following that news when PayPal announced that you will be able to buy also with Bitcoin. However, the Bitcoin wallet on PayPal is not equal to other cryptocurrency wallets. So actually, it does not have the features that should be made to make this very positive and much more optimistic for whole cryptocurrencies. So, in my opinion, it's still moving in the right direction, but probably not what real crypto fans are expecting. However, we are seeing much higher prices here on Bitcoin, and we definitely have to respect what the market is doing. We are approaching an important $20,000 levels where I believe we will see a new all-time highs, but I would not be looking too far away from here. Maybe we can reach levels around 22,000 up to 25,000, but that's where I would not be surprised if we see a slowdown. Now, if you are looking for a longer term investment, I think that we should respect the rule, buy low, sell high. And at the moment, if we look at this price action here, we are actually trading very high, very aggressively higher here. Also, what I'm seeing is that in the media, we are seeing a lot of bullish articles, a lot of growth is definitely very bullish. So, in my opinion, this could actually suggest that we are maybe, after all, moving into these final stages, final stages of this current very strong cycle since this was starting to move since October. So we will see how this plays out. But if you are looking for, as I said, for a long-term investment, I just think that it's much better, much safer to wait on another dip and then try to buy at much lower, much better price. Now, if you're a short-term trader, there can be room for more upside, as I said, and maybe until we see this completion of a 5-wave cycle from March low. So if you're not familiar with the Elliott wave principle, well, the 5-wave movement is the movement that usually represents the very strong move in a short period of time. This is called an impulse, which is actually uh, the strongest wave, and ideally it will give you a lot of opportunities within the higher degree of a trend. Um, so what I'm looking at the moment here on a daily chart is actually we are seeing very strong move out of this channel, and normally when this breakout occurs, very strong one like this one, it normally indicates that this is probably wave 3, okay, and not some kind of a maybe of a wave 5 top as I expected earlier this month here around, for market to slow down here around this trend line. So actually what is going on, this is not a fifth wave, I was wrong on that, it's probably a wave 3, meaning that there can be more upside coming after this wave 4 pullback. So as I said, new all-time highs, probably we will see them, but just be aware that there could be in the near future there could be this wave 4 pullback. Now, looking also from the 4-hour intraday perspective here, we have some very nice upward cycles here, and looks like that we are now currently making this waves 1, 2, an extended wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 could maybe targeting these new all-time highs, and then we could potentially slow down. Also, keep an eye on this channel. Now, if this channel is taken out, then I think that we could be stepping into a new 4th wave pullback here. So long story short, if you're looking for longer term investment, it's really important that you just look for entries at much lower prices after a dip. Now, if you're more short-term traders, a short-term oriented trader, then maybe you will be looking and waiting on this wave 4 to unfold. Also, what I'm concerned about when I'm referring to very aggressive optimism here is that I'm afraid that actually this could play out as a very big flat correction. That's why I said that after we see these 5 waves up here from March lows, it could also mean that wave C will come to an end, that will complete a 3-wave rise at a new high. And we know if this happens, then one idea is that maybe this whole price action since December 2017 could actually be a flat correction. If that happens, then we know that there will be another sell-off coming. Okay, so let's see what happens at the highs here. And as I said, market is very bullish, which is fine and normal after this strong move. But if you are too bullish and looking for articles like calling Bitcoin for 400,000 or something, well, let's be more realistic and just uh, keep in mind that Bitcoin, after all, it's still very high. Its price, it's still very high. It's not cheap at all. I mean, the problem that I'm seeing with Bitcoin, generally speaking, is that we reach these levels around 20,000 in a quite short period of time. So it's not normal or something stable on the way up. It just too quickly to come up, and something that very quickly comes up, it could easily come very quickly back to the downside. So you should really be careful, I think, here at all-time highs after a completion of these 5 waves up. Of course, this could maybe be also as part of a wave 3 and we go much higher, but again, I think that there will be correction on the way up. I'm just afraid that if market will end, crowd will become even more and more bullish at these all-time highs, that the opposite may actually happen. Okay, so just be aware of that. And if we see maybe a drop suddenly back below 14,000 towards, which was actually quite close to these June highs here, well, that would be very strong evidence that yes, we are probably moving back into this very big consolidation. Okay, traders, thank you very much for attention. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to look at more updates, I've also made a longer video with and covered some other altcoins for our members in our website. Okay, traders, thank you very much for attention and talk to you soon. Bye.